Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today, we're going to talk about if you're going to remodel your bathroom, right? I'm going to give you 3 tips on how you can do that. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained, amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back, it's J. Lucky Henry. So today, we're talking about remodeling your bathroom, and I said I'm going to give you 3 tips, so let's get into it. Now, number 1 is determine, are you remodeling your bathroom for your personal enjoyment, or are you remodeling your bathroom for the ROI you are looking to gain when you sell that property? So, if it's the latter and you're looking for that ROI, then we got some more questions to talk about. But if it's for yourself, then do it whatever you want. Nothing I can tell you in this video is going to make more sense than what's in your head, the vision you have for it, and enjoy it. All right? Now, let's move into number 2 for those people that are thinking about the ROI on their bathroom and they want to get that money back 2, 3, 4 times over, right? Put down $20K into a bath and they want to increase the price of their house by maybe $50K or $60K. How do you do that? Step number 1, study the comps. Best way to study the comps, partner with a realtor that's going to end up selling your house, helping you sell your house, right? Get a realtor or study the MLS, the sales in your area. Figure out what's the difference between a 3-bedroom with 2 baths and a 3 bedrooms with 2.5 baths. How much more does the price go up? 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath remodeled. Now, what does remodel look like? So your realtor's going to go through with you and figure out that, hey, at this price point, it really makes sense for you to have a 4-piece bathroom. But maybe at this price point, it's okay for just to have a 3-piece bath. What do I mean? You don't need a freestanding tub or a soaking tub, a shower, sink, and a toilet. You can just get away with that shower tub combo. But at some price points, you can't. You really need a 4-piece. Some price points, you need a master. So you might be knocking down a closet to combine in that bath to the bedroom so you can have a master, right? Figure out what makes the most sense to get the most ROI in that sense. But then when it comes to the actual design, this is tip number 3 right here. When it comes to the actual design, you need to figure out what's trending. Is it going to be trending 5 years from now? Is it going to be trending 5 months from now when I sell, right? You pay attention to the trends, but the best thing I can say is to work with an interior designer. And I'm going to link below to a website of a super cool interior designer, right? She's awesome to work with. Consult with her all the time. She's done projects before that look amazing, right? But the real important reason to go work with an interior designer is to figure out, hey, I know you think that salmon is the hottest thing out right now and a couple of your neighbors might have done it, but it might not be what's going to be selling in the 3 months from now when you actually put your house on the market. So talk to them. But then again, if you're ever in doubt, my recommendation is always neutral, clean, and timeless. It'll be there. The value will be there today and tomorrow because it's just so simple. All right? Those are my 3 tips on how to redo your bathroom. 1, make sure you figure out why you're doing it, for yourself or for the money. 2, if you're doing it for the money, figure out where the money's at. Is it in 4 pieces, 3 pieces, new colors, masters, etc.? And the last tip, the 3rd one, is talk to someone about the trends. What's trending versus what's going to be in style when you're actually ready to sell. All right? It's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.